Now, the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
I'm meteorologist Shay with an update on our forecast. Take a look at Matthew, still packing 120-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds and moving to the north to northwest at about 12 miles per hour. So it has slowed down just a little bit here with our latest update. Still a Cat 3 hurricane, and it is bearing down here across the northern, anywhere from Daytona Beach on north through Jacksonville here over the next couple of hours, and then will start to make its turn as it weakens and move along the coast of Georgia and into South Carolina. This continues to weaken as it loops back around, so that's great news. We're not looking at another storm that's going to come back into Florida, but what we are going to see is some heavier rainfall across the northern islands of the Bahamas before it loops back out into the Atlantic. So we'll continue to monitor it, but at this point, it's really what happens over the next 12 to 24 hours that is the biggest concern with this storm. In our immediate area, we do still have tropical storm watches for Pinellas and Hillsborough counties. There's a continued concern for winds gusts up to about 40 miles per hour through early this afternoon. And the same goes for our interior counties with the possibility of wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour through early this afternoon. After about 2 o'clock, we're going to see the winds really beginning to taper off. We're going to see the chance for rain is going to come down significantly. You can see how far off the future cast is here. So again, let's ignore those first few frames, but as we get towards 5 o'clock, this is pretty much the picture that we're going to have through the afternoon. Just a few showers are going to roll through, and then after sunset, we're almost completely dry. We have a pretty strong onshore flow for tomorrow, so you can see Saturday at 1 o'clock in the morning, we start to see a few of those showers setting up closer to the coastline. So there's a slight chance you could see some coastal showers tomorrow morning, but look at all the breaks in the clouds. This storm just sucks all that moisture out and brings it off to the north with it. So we're going to have a gorgeous weekend ahead as that storm continues to move away from us, with that slight chance for a shower first thing in the day on Saturday morning. Otherwise, looking very nice into the weekend. In fact, Sunday looking beautiful with a high of 86 degrees. We'll get some drier air filtering in late Sunday and into early Monday. So not only are the temperatures going to come down some as we start our next work week for Columbus Day, Monday, looking very nice and much more like fall for our standards anyhow, with lower humidity and lower temperatures. And that 80% chance for rain here on Friday really was just for the first half of the day. Again, as we move through the day today, the rain chances come down and the wind speeds come down from south to north across Tampa Bay.